Hey guys, this is Abhi and welcome to video number 3. So in this video I'm going to build my stuff out. Alright, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, then do watch them before you continue watching this. Okay, so today if you see on my screen, we are going to build out opt-in page. Okay, so where we capture the email address of the visitors. Okay, and then we are going to build out the thank you page. Okay, and then we are gonna create a new email list and connect them. Okay, and connect them to the opt-in page and the thank you page. All right, so let's go ahead now. Before we go ahead and build our opt-in page, I use a different program than ClickFunnels. I know most of the people use ClickFunnels nowadays, and it's really great. Okay, but I just want to let you know that there is option for the people who cannot really afford ClickFunnels. I receive a lot of messages saying that they cannot afford ClickFunnels, so what should they do? So there are plenty of other options as well. Okay, so there are plugin, WordPress based landing page builders and web based landing page builders. So ClickFunnels is an example of the web based landing page builder, and the one I'm going to use now is the WordPress based landing page builder, which is called Thrive Architect. So it's easy, but ClickFunnels gives you more control. So if you have ClickFunnels, then that's awesome. If you are in PWA program, so there Anthony gives you all the pages, done for you landing pages, which you can import and edit it according to your taste. So I'm gonna build one from scratch. Okay, so here in my screen you can see I have my WordPress dashboard open up. Okay, so that's my website, ProfitNotch.com. all right, so if you visit my website, you will see the home page, and that's me. Not quite a good photo, but gets the work done. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now, so I use Thrive Architect. Okay, and there you have to create new pages, and you can edit it like just any normal page, but in a very very drag and drop fashion. Okay, so let me show you how. So I'm gonna build an opt-in page right now. Okay, all right, so first of all we need to give a title. So I'm going to promote PW program. So I'm going to do solo ads in this example, in the paid traffic example. So I have to create something that is fit for that audience. As you know, all traffic sources are not equal. Okay, so I'll just do business online, something like that. I already have online business, so I'm doing business online. All right, so let me save that first, and then as you can see, here is a green button that's called Launch Thrive Architect. That's what I use personally. So let's go ahead and build one. Okay, so let it load. All right, so that's my normal blog post. What I can do is I can go ahead and get new templates. Okay, so there are tons of templates just like ClickFunnels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want an opt-in page, right? So lead generation, yep, and a lead generation page, and then I can see a lot of lead generation page and I can use it. Okay, so before I create an opt-in page, I need to look at the sales page, because congruency is a thing. Okay, you have to make your audience feel not out of the place. Okay, if the sales page is red and blue, and the your opt-in page and the thank you page is yellow and purple, then he will feel like he did something wrong and he's at the wrong place. Okay, so you need to be congruent with your opt-in page, your thank you page, and the sales page. Okay, or the affiliate page, whatever. All right, so first of all I actually have to check the partner with Anthony's the sales page. All right, so I have to open that up. All right, so that's partner with Anthony's sales page.
We're excited to talk.
Okay, let me pause that video. And now you can actually see that the main theme of this sales page is the white background and then the blue button. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to do the same combination, right? White and blue, the majority of them white, and the text is in black, right? Majority of it is. So I'm going to use that, and now I have to create a new opt-in page, right? So I will find something really, really simple, because the sales page is simple, and the main thing about opt-in page is you need to deliver your message across. Okay, no need of fancy graphics or anything. All right, so let me go and see. Let me choose one of simple one, right? So I'm doing this with you. Okay, two-step. Let's go with this. All right, so 10 easy ways to get quick loan. That's pretty simple, right? And that font is too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down the font a little, right? Okay, and maybe this one too. Okay, I can do a lot of stuff here, just like ClickFunnels. So any landing page builder would work if you're using lead pages or anything rather. Okay, you just need to get the job done. You just need to get a really good opt-in page up and running. Okay, so we need to have a headline, right? So what should be our headline? So for that we will go to the sales page. Again, congruency in the message as well. Okay, so if you write something like make $10,000 per month online, and then they come to this and they said, oh, online business, or partner with me for 2019, what's that? What the hell is this? Okay, so many people, they will get lost and they will just close the tab, right? So that happens. Okay, so let's see. So let's get our headline here. Okay, we are going to do the opt-in page. Thank you, machine email list. All right, let's get rid of them. And looking to build your online business, why not partner with me for 2019? So looking to build your online business, why not partner with me? So we need to get a good headline across, something that arouses curiosity. So let's see. Learn how, well, this is Anthony, right? So learn how Anthony $1 million. Okay, cool. $1 million, that's nice money. Okay, when you make money, I make money, and here's what you get as a member: exclusive sections, bonuses, $7 and everything. Okay, cool. So let me learn how Anthony generated $1 million in affiliate commissions. So that's a ClickFunnels screenshot, right? So if you are going through partner with Anthony, then you know that Anthony didn't promote ClickFunnels directly. Okay, he used systems and he recommended ClickFunnels inside his systems, right? So maybe we can use that to our advantage. So learn how Anthony generated 1 million affiliate commissions without even selling, without selling. Okay, all right, so learn how Anthony generated 1 million affiliate commissions without selling, and copy the same even if you have no experience. That's just a rough work. Okay, I can edit it out. I know, I'm just brainstorming right here in front of you. So second thing could be, so that's a video, right, in the sales copy. So we can, this video shows how you can copy and leverage Anthony's $1 million uh, affiliate commission system, right? This video shows how you can copy and leverage Anthony's 1 million affiliate commission system, even if you have no experience, right? And that could be one. This video shows you how you can copy and leverage Anthony's 1 million affiliate commission system, even if you have no experience or no previous experience. Okay, even if you have no previous experience, that could be one. All right, let's just use that. Okay, I'm sorry for the background noise if there is any. All right, whoops. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, so let's paste that thing here. This video shows you how you can copy and leverage Anthony's 1 million affiliate. So our color theme is blue, right? The buttons and everything, and there is a little bit red as well, so we can use a little bit red or blue. Okay, let's see. Million affiliate commission system. This video shows you how you can copy and leverage, right? I will put an underline or maybe an italic. Anthony's 1 million affiliate commission system. Okay, so maybe I will change the color to red. Let's see how that goes. 1 million affiliate commission system, even if you have no previous experience. Okay, another underline there. Okay, and for the sub headline, we need to think about that too, because we actually need to we need the headline to go over to the sub headline, and then they goes to the opt-in page. Okay, so we need to think. Let's just say and learn how you can create similar results even if you don't have any experience. All right, okay, but you have no previous experience. Let's just change that. Even affiliate commission, let's just change that, right? Without doing everything by yourself, right? That's cool. I mean, yeah, it will look really good, if I can add a number here, and again, I do not want this to be an overhyped number, but with PWA you can achieve like 3 figures per day easily if you actually work at it, right? So I can add something like that, but maybe later. Okay, I will let you know if I do that. First of all, let me do the black, and this needs to be the black as well. Now ClickFunnels is also easy. No, it's really easy to do. I'm just using this right now. Okay, apply. Now I have a lot of pages. I used ThriveArchitect for a longer period of time, so I'm pretty good at this. Okay, and I just have to move this upwards, right? Okay, cool. So without, I can do this, right? I can go with this as quotes by yourself, and then I can change the color of that to red, right? Okay, this kind of contradicts to each other, not really great on the eyes. So maybe let's see how this looks like. Or maybe it looks okay on second thought, right? This video might be lengthy, so sorry about that. Okay, and I will change the button color here as well. Maybe I will do this to the blue. Let's see what was the let's, I have something called the color picker on my Chrome to get the color. All right, we are back.
All right,
we some problem
waited
with,
long.
some problem with my browser. Okay, it's sorted out now. So I opened it in Chrome because I had an extension called Colorzilla, right? I can pick a color, right? I can just color picker and then go here, right? Hang on. Right, I just had to go here and it will pick the color right here, right there, and the color is copied to the clipboard. Now I can go and change the color system similar that, right? And I just have to just apply that and that color is there, boom. Okay, but I think the red was fine here. And I will change by yourself to blue, right? Pretty cool. Now that distinguishes each other pretty well, and it's easy to read. Okay, and I will maybe add this and learn how you can create similar results. Even I will go that to bold, even if you don't have any experience. I'm really sorry, someone is just on the background noise and I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, all right, so now this looks a little better, right? And now something is missing, right? So maybe we can add the brand of PW above. Okay, so I'm going to add a section which is image about the headline, right? Let me go there. There's the background section. Let me add an image above the background section. All right, and here I am going to choose the PWA logo. There should be the PWA logo somewhere right there. Okay, and I'm just going to bring it in the middle. Right, looks pretty good. The background section, the layout, I'm going to make the image size small, and there's the text, and there is the sub headline, and looks pretty good, and that's a separate background section, right? So maybe I will bring this above that section, place it below the text, and maybe the font size I can increase a little. That's too much. I just want to increase it a little. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now at the lead generation, so I have to connect this form to the service right now. Okay, so I have get response. Okay, and I'm going to add this to a list. All right, so instead of creating a new list, I already have a list inside get response, and I think you already know how to create a new list. Okay, if you don't know, it's pretty easy. You log into get response, and then you just go to the lists in here, and then you go and create a new list, and just enter your list name, and then just go ahead and go create. Okay, so that's how you create a new list. Super easy. So I already have a list created, and its name should be PW and prospects, partner with Anthony prospects. So I'm going to use that. Cycle days 0, that means they will get the email, my welcome email immediately. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue. I just need the email, I don't need the name. If I need one, I can click add a new field in this. Okay, ClickFunnels has different options but kind of similar, so you will understand. All right, so next, and I want to redirect to custom URL. So at the moment I don't have the thank you page created, right? After they opt in, they get redirected to a custom URL. So I'm not going to do anything right now, so I just click on reload page. I will come back here and change it after. Okay, so in ClickFunnels you do not need to do all these things because it already knows it has to go to the thank you page, and you just build it out and everything is done that way. And you also have the already done for you landing pages, right? So that's cool. Now I have to edit it a little. Let's edit that. The color should be that. Yes, right, nice. Okay, and I would like to make it smaller, or maybe just the way it is. It's not bad, I would say. Done. I would split test this. I will maybe make this a little bigger, so when full screen should look a little nicer. And if you just look at this, this is pretty simple, but this will work. This video shows how you can copy and leverage Anthony's 1 million affiliate commission system without doing everything by yourself. Okay, and learn how you can create similar results even if you don't have any experience at all. All right, I can add at all right there, and I have connected my email so that it talks with my get response account, talks with my autoresponder. All right, now I have to go ahead and create my thank you page. So what I need to do is I need to save my work in ClickFunnels. Also, you need to save your changes, your newly made page, right? And for some reason the message is not showing up. Generally it does. So let's go and check our landing page on a different browser. And there we go, it's saved, it's perfect. Now I actually have to change this to my actual thing. Now you need to put your privacy and everything. Okay, so I'll do that too right now. So copyright 2019, my company name is ProfitNotch, notch.com. I will add that, and then there's a disclaimer. So I will, there is my, where is my pages. I have to go to my pages and check and see my, grab my disclaimer page link. There we go, and I just have to copy the link address and just to add it here. All right, that's the income disclaimer right there. And open a new tab, no follow, yes, update. Okay, this is just technical. If you're using ClickFunnels, you do not need to worry about this stuff. Okay, so when someone comes in, that's all they see. Now you need to edit on your mobile as well, and if you see on the mobile, this looks really bad, right? So let's change it a little. In mobile, I want the logo smaller, and I want the layout position a little bit down, the font size right around that, right? Maybe the layout could be a little bit lower. All right, and the font of this should be small as well, not that small, right? And the spacing, line height, okay, awesome. And this one, layout a little bit above. As you can see, the desktop remains same, and I'm just making changes to the mobile version. You can do this in any page builder, I guess. All right, so that's pretty cool. Maybe I have to make this smaller. All right, that's pretty much it. Maybe I should reduce the button as well. Maybe I will do it later. Okay, so I just want to show you how you can create something really quickly. Okay, I will actually do minor changes and will let you know what changes I did when I will buy traffic. Okay, so that's that. Maybe I'm here, so I will. Okay, awesome. Right, save work. It's saved. Generally there is a notification when it's saved, but there's none. Well, never mind. All right, so the page is done. Now I will go ahead and create another page, and that will be our thank you page, right? Business online ty, and whoop, online ty, publish, edit it. It's the same process. Maybe I will import a template if I have any saved one. I have a PWA bonus page as well. I provide bonuses if they actually come in and get PWA through my link. So there is no thank you stuff here. All right, so let's just go and see a good thank you page. Email confirmation page, that should be there, right? Thank you for signing up, step 1, step 2, step 3. So this one is congruent to our opt-in page. So let's go ahead and choose that template. Now we go and do the usual. Thank you for signing up, and the color was, and I forgot the color. I will copy that again, copy, and go back, paste it out, apply. Right, pretty cool. So follow these steps to complete the process. So step 1, check your email inbox. Go to the inbox of email address you used to sign up on the previous page. Open. So I don't have any confirmation email, so I can actually skip all this and delete that. All right, and I can actually add new stuff right here. I can add, okay, so it's pretty simple. Text, I want to add text. So what do I want to do is, maybe I will add an image as well. I will pause this video and I will edit it a little, and you know how to edit this anyways now, right? Okay, all right, I'm back. So thank you page is pretty simple and straightforward. I just thank them, thank you for signing up, and then just instruct them that they go and check their inbox for my email with my name in it. Okay, and then I also provide a button where they can go and continue to watch the video that I promised, which is the Anthony's sales page, right? Anthony's video. Okay, so when they click here, they will straight go to the Anthony sales page. So I have to add a link in here. Okay, so let me add that. So I use a tracking platform called clickmagic.com. all right, so I use a lot of this stuff. Now I have to go partner with Anthony. That's just partner with Anthony section. Now I have a lot of tracking link right here, so I will create a new link so that I can identify from where I am getting the clicks from, right? So let's just say case study, PWA case study thank you page link, right? And I will track it, maybe with my custom domain, and then I will add a slug, URL slug. So PWA case study thank you. All right, so that will be my URL, and I have to add my affiliate URL here. So hang on, let me grab my affiliate URL real quick. So I am inside the the marketing CRM of the partner with Anthony. So I'm going to grab my links from here. All right, so as you can see, I have a lot of links right here. So I'll create a new link, new tracking link, right? Add tracking ID. Let's just say case study, tracking code, case study. All right, create affiliate tracking, and then I go down here and I select PW sales page, case study, right? Actually, I don't need the tracking too, so I can just click on generate, and as you can see, it added case study behind my affiliate URL. All right, so I'm going to copy that and I am going to ClickMagick. In PWA, in partner with Anthony, there is a software called Build Redirects, and it does pretty much the same thing, and it's a great software too. But I use ClickMagick because I've been using this for a few years now, and I'm quite accustomed, and it gets the job done as well. It's really great. It's awesome. Okay, so you can use any tracker that you can. There is Click.org, there is ClickMagick, there is Build Redirects, anything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click that create link. All right, now I have to find that case study thank you page link. I'll just copy that and I will go back and put it on my thank you page. All right, so that's button. I'll add my link right there. Okay, and I will save it. Oh, there's the pop-up. Not sure why it didn't show the pop-up before. All right, so we have completed our opt-in page, right? We have completed our opt-in page, our thank you page, and I already have an email list, so that's done. Now I have to make these things talk together, these systems. So I have to connect opt-in page to a thank you page through my email list. All right, so how do I do that? So I go back, it's pretty much same in the ClickFunnels as well, I guess, right? Where was it? Where was this? That's my income disclaimer. Okay, now I have to go ahead and let me open it up. And please do not go and opt into this page, because I'm running traffic into it and it will mess up with my stats, so please don't do it. Okay, I hope you will not do it. Okay, so I will edit it, and I have to make it such a way that it gets redirected to my thank you page, right? This one. All right, so that is the thank you page URL. In the ClickFunnels, you do not have to mess up with all these things. It's quite straightforward. Okay, again, nothing complex. All right, it's just that I use Thrive Architect. All right, so what I need to do is I need to click on that button and I have to edit it, and in the post opt-in auction I will go to custom URL and paste to my thank you page. So whenever someone opts into this page, they will get redirected to custom URL, which is my thank you page. Right? Clear? Awesome. And save. All right, all saved. Now, how do I know that when a certain person came in and actually opted in and got into my thank you page? One way is to look at my email list. In my get response accounts, it will show how many contacts that I received. But if I'm running multiple traffic sources, how do I recognize which contact, which lead came from which traffic source? And that's where tracking really comes in handy. Okay, and that's where you exactly know which campaign to kill and which campaign to scale up. Okay, which traffic is good and which traffic is really bad. All right, so that's how you do it, and that is why you need a tracker. Okay, so I use ClickMagick. There is Build Redirects, there is tons of other options. Whatever that you use, make sure you use one and track everything. Okay, so that's it for this video, and in next video I'm gonna set up the tracking and everything, and then we're gonna talk about traffic as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I will get few comments down below to get me going. Okay, it will mean a lot to me. So that will be it. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Bye. Cheers.